Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate TikTok account. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Here's how to temporarily deactivate your TikTok account. Now, if you want to take a break from TikTok, you can easily do so in the app. It will remove your profile, all of your photos, your videos, all that stuff, but you can always restore it whenever you want it. So let's hop into TikTok. I'll show you how to do that. Let's swipe up and tap on profile at the bottom right. Let's tap on those three lines at the top right and then choose settings and privacy at the bottom. Now at the very top, let's tap on account and you can see at the very bottom gives you the ability to deactivate or delete your account. Let's tap on that and again at the very top, deactivate. It will walk you through all of the steps that this will do. It says no one will see your account or your content. Your information isn't stored in your account, such as direct messages, but may still be visible to others. TikTok will continue to keep your data and you can reactivate your account whenever you want. So all you have to do is hit that deactivate button at the very bottom. That will temporarily deactivate. If you ever wanted to get it back and restore your account, all you have to do is just log in into your TikTok account, either within TikTok or on your app or on the website tiktok.com. Just log into your account and it will reactivate everything. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.